Dieter, tell me about GreyOrange and the innovations that you're exhibiting here at Post Expo 2018.
Hi Nick, sure, happy to do that. What you're seeing here is our goods-to-person system. So what we've brought in is a system which uses artificial intelligence to optimize fulfillment in a delivery center in a very flexible way, in that we automate, to enable same-day delivery, next-day delivery, especially for either e-commerce companies or online retailers or multi-channel retailers operating in that space.
What sets this apart from the competitors that you've got on the market?
I think it's first and foremost the flexibility. So our solution is not tied to an infrastructure. It's mobile. It is modular, so it can flex, it can scale up and it can scale down as you grow, throughput or inventory. It is collaborative. It can work with humans and it can work with other hardware as well. And it's all managed and controlled by a central platform, a software platform, using a decision science matrix and artificial intelligence, especially machine learning and adaptive learning.
Dieter, take me through some of the installations that you've provided and the companies that you're working with around Europe.
So in Europe, we operate with 3PLs, so companies managing supply chains for their end customers. In particular, for companies doing automotive spares, for retailers in the fashion business, or broad horizontal online retailers. What we do as well is we work directly with vertical e-commerce companies in Europe, especially focusing on apparel, and we are in discussions with a lot more companies, including traditional retailers who do omni-channel fulfillment.
It's a funny looking thing. What kind of response have you been getting from the people who've been coming to visit your stand?
It was an eye-catcher, I think, for a lot of them, because in the postal world, this is something you don't see a lot. It's focused on fulfillment centers. So a lot of interest, a lot of explanations that we do, and good conversation.
Now, this is your first Post Expo. What do you make of it?
I was surprised. I tell you what, I tell you that my expectations were pretty average in terms of we've been asked by a partner to join at the booth, and we know that the postal services is not our world, it's not where we usually operate in, but I'm surprised. Very good conversations, definitely worth attending. A lot of food for thought for us as well in terms of what we take back and what people are looking at, so it's always good to get that discussion going and the inputs for us to mull over and see how we can leverage that to build better products.